Hello guys. Today, we will show you how to auto-remove the background from a picture with the Apowersoft background eraser. First, open the app, tap the Remove Background Person, and choose the photo to remove its background automatically. Once done, tap the Save HD button to save the image to your phone. Aside from mobile app, this tool has an online app that can easily remove the background from a picture. On your web browser, type the www.apowersoft.com/remove-background-online and click the Upload image to choose the photo you want to edit. This tool can also add a new background to the picture on both its mobile and online app. Just go to Edit, and click the Change Background to choose your preferred background. After that, click the Download button to save the photo to your computer. And that's how you easily remove the background from a picture with the Apowersoft background eraser. Thanks for watching.